Welcome back to Cassidys Craveable Creations. I'm Cassidy. Today we're making a fall apart tender keto pulled pork. So this pulled pork is smoky, it's full of flavor. It's perfect just eaten with a fork on its own or made into pulled pork sandwiches using my keto hamburger buns. And I will post a link to my keto hamburger buns up here over my shoulder and in the description below. And to see the full recipe, you can find the link in the description below as well. If you're on mobile, just click the title of the recipe and the description will pop up. To start, we'll just add some spices to a small bowl. We have sea salt, chili powder, black pepper, and garlic powder. We'll just mix this together and set it aside. For the meat, we're using a pork roast or butt. Be careful not to buy a pork tenderloin on accident because that will not turn out well. And if it has twine on it, just cut the twine off and throw it away. And so now we're going to cut this into 4 equal sections. I usually use boneless, but this one actually has a bone in it today, so I'm just going to kind of cut around it the best I can. Now that the pork is cut, we'll just take the seasonings that we mixed together and pour it all over the pork pieces and rub it in. This adds so much flavor. So we're going to be cooking this keto pulled pork in an Instant Pot today, but I also have instructions on how to make it in a slow cooker in the recipe card. So I just turned the Instant Pot to saute and I'm going to add some avocado oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add 2 pieces of the pork at a time and brown on all sides, probably 30 seconds to a minute per side. Then we'll set those pieces aside and brown the other 2 pieces. We're also going to mix together the sauce ingredients in a medium to large bowl. We have some apple cider vinegar, or you can use just white vinegar if you would like. We have a little bit of liquid smoke. This is so good. It has that, just gives it that really rich smoky flavor. We have some keto barbecue sauce. And this is my very favorite barbecue sauce. It's raised, no sugar added. I just recently found it and now I use it in all my recipes because it doesn't have that weird sugar-free aftertaste. I used to always make homemade barbecue sauce, but why make it if you can buy the bottled stuff that tastes just as good? So I highly recommend this. And I'm also just adding a little bit of keto sweetener. This is totally optional, but I like my pork just a little bit on the sweet side, and I'm using xylitol just because it has no aftertaste and it dissolves beautifully. Okay, so we'll just mix the sauce ingredients together and we'll set this aside. Now that the meat's all brown, we're just gonna add a chopped onion and cook it until everything is nice and tender. Then add some chicken broth to deglaze the pan and just scrape up all those yummy bits that are on the bottom. Now we'll add the pork back to the pot. Kind of squish it down in there. And pour this delicious sauce over the top with the barbecue sauce and the liquid smoke and the apple cider vinegar. Oh my goodness, so delicious. And it smells so good too. Once the time is up, allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes, then release the rest of the pressure manually by flipping the valve to venting. Now that the pulled pork is done cooking and then all the pressure has been released, we're just going to transfer it to a large bowl and we're going to shred it with 2 forks. This smells so good. I can really smell the liquid smoke and the barbecue, and it's really tender. It's not hard to shred with 2 forks at all. It really just falls apart. It's great. It has great texture. And that is it, you guys. This recipe is easy and delicious, and it makes a lot, and so it's great for leftovers, and it's also great for meal prep. You can keep it in the fridge for 3 to 5 days, and you can even freeze it for up to 3 months. I just recommend storing it with the juice so it doesn't get dried out, but it stores really, really well. Now it's just time to try it. So for dinner tonight, I'm just serving this with a really simple keto coleslaw recipe, and I'll have the link in the description below, along with some more of that keto barbecue sauce that I love. It would also be great with a made into sandwiches, like I mentioned earlier, but tonight we're just keeping it super simple. Looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. Yeah. The meat is really tender and flavorful. It has a hint of smokiness, and I know you're going to love it. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. And to see more recipes like this, please hit that like button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.